My name's Ryan Beasley. I've been with HOLLOWAY America since 2015. Currently the lead in Prefab, shear and brake department. I actually, after high school, went to trade school to be an aircraft mechanic. Worked in that industry for a few years. Started at Precision Stainless back in '93. Starting out as a helper, I mean, most people do in this type of industry. They were actually looking for hard workers. I grew up on a farm, so I knew hard work. You know, that just led to more, and in all the places I've been, it never really felt like home until I got with HOLLOWAY. We're so diversified here at HOLLOWAY. You know, I've already said there's no limits to what we build or can build. I feel like our welding and fabricating is second to none. This still is the best shop that I've worked in. I can show my oldest grandson, he's 3 years old, and I can show him pictures of tanks that we've built or equipment that I'm using, and he just thinks that's amazing, you know, to see a big tank sitting in the parking lot. Or as he gets older, I would love to get him on, or any of my grandsons, so that'd feel good to be able to do. I do feel like we're a leader in the industry. I've seen lots of tanks in a lot of different shops, and I'd put ours up there with anybody.